In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a life hack that could be the difference between you coming home safe or coming home sorry. We all know that tires that run low on tread or tires that are starting to go bald are at a higher risk of blowing out on the road while you are traveling. Once they get in this condition, it's time to change them out for new ones. But how do you know when it's time to replace them? When is your tread too close for comfort? Here's what to do. Don't waste your time taking it to a tire shop. Your time is too valuable. Instead, pull a penny out of your pocket and place it headfirst into the groove. If the entirety of Abraham Lincoln's head is visible, your tires are worn out and need to be replaced. If part of the head is visible, you have 2 seconds tread left and still have life left in them. Now, walk around your car and check all 4 of your tires to ensure it is safe for you to go to work. If you've ever wondered how to de-ice your lock, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.